From digification. Today we'll see that how you can display your by default WordPress post in grid layout. Let's first have a look. When you create a website and if you have created certain posts and put them in certain categories or on simply blog page, you will see a layout like this wherein you see your blog 1 followed by your second blog and so on. To make it more organized, we can have grid layout with the blog. And to do this, we will need a plugin. Let's see how to do it. So all I want to do is change this layout to a grid one. Let's go to dashboard. Let's go to plugins. We'll need a plugin here. Search for content views. Search for this plugin, content views. Here you'll see content views post grid filter, and I'm going to install and activate this. For this site, I'm using Elementor to build the site. Now here we can create a layout and put them to a particular page. So here you see I have already installed now this plugin. Go to dashboard. Let's go to view. Right now there's no view, so we will create one. Here you can see by which section you want to create it. Since we have created some categories and for blogs we want to categorize and display them in grid section. So I'm going to select category. And you can select certain categories which you have built in the post. So I'm selecting category digital here. You can see what I've done is I've selected content type as post. I've selected taxonomy, category. In category, I've also selected which category I want to display in grid format. And what you can do is click on save and then come to display settings. Here you can see some free layouts. We want to use grid layout, and also I can choose how many items I want in my per row. So here let's do it 3. You can change it and simply click save. So if you see that in display, and also after this you can see the preview. I'm going to click on show preview. So there are few blogs in my category of display digital. You see there are 2 blogs. So now they have been arranged in a format of grid. Had there been more blog, it would have arranged like 3 in a row. And now here you can see for this page content, my text widget. This is my shortcode. I'm going to copy this shortcode. Go to pages, add a new page and name it digital. If you'd like to hide this, you can simply hide it. And I'm going to copy this shortcode here and publish. Now, once we preview this page, we should see that our blogs are arranged in a grid layout like we wanted. The last thing I want to do here is add this digital category, the page here in the menu. For now, you must have added your category, blog category in the menu. You can simply remove it and add your new page category here. So we go to our menu and we created this page digital. So I've added this digital as a page and I'm going to remove this category. And you can simply change the order. Save the menu. Let's refresh. And here you see digital. Now if I click, you can see my posts are arranged in grid layout. Same you can do with every category. Simply you have to go to the plugin content views and you can replicate same. You can see your views. Simply create for another category. This is one which we have created. You can go to add new, create for your next category, save it, put it in a page, and voila, you're done.